Yo, it is the stock market recap, where I teach you about technical analysis and we also go over how the market performed. So let's check at the charts and see if we can get any insight for what could potentially happen next week. Happy New Year! We made it to another year. 2022 is here, and let's get the best of it. I have my chart reading course, and then I also have a chart pattern course that is coming up. So make sure you visit the link below, check that out, sign up, and if neither one of those work out for you, you can still sign up for free. I have plenty of content there for you to check out, so make sure you do that. All right, so let's jump into these charts. Yeah, S&P. All right, S&P. S&P closed at 4,766.18. Record high was made last week, 4,808.93. So, trend has been strong. There has been a lot of choppiness, a lot of volatility that has came into the picture as of recently. And the candle that we have now is a shooting star candle. Shooting star candle can be a reversal signal or at least a pause in the trend. So we're going to look for confirmation next week to see if the market pulls back and starts to retrace itself to around that 4,600 level. Other than that, the S&P looks pretty good. We're going to keep an eye and see if this shooting star is going to be something that we need to be concerned about. And if it's not, then it'll continue to be party on. So that is the S&P. Let's check out the Russell. We use ticker IWM. The Russell closed at 222.45. Record high was made like 8 weeks ago, 244.46. We had a doji candle, and we are still under our 20-day moving average. We can see 4 weeks ago we hit it, moved lower. We can see we closed below it consistently now for 5 straight weeks now. Well, really 6 technically. And this doji, I don't like the looks of that either. So we are on alert for IWM to continue to fall. We can easily start to make a move back down and test 210. Will it happen? We're going to find out. So that is IWM. Let's check out the Dow. For those of us on Thinkorswim, it is $DJI. The Dow closed at 36,388.30. Record high was made last week, 36,679.44. We also made somewhat of a shooting star candle. Not a true one, but kind of like one. We got a long tail on it. So, this one is interesting. We basically double topped. We had about 8 weeks ago too. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks ago where we hit a high and we're testing it again, and it did not hold up. I'm looking for this to see if it's going to prove itself. This 20-day moving average is starting to flatten out, and there has been some significant volume come into play. We're going to see if the Dow is going to hold up. That one's iffy. All right, and the last one we're going to check out is the Nasdaq, ticker NDX. We closed at 16,320.08. Record high was 16,764.86, made about 6 weeks ago or 7 weeks ago. And this one also made a shooting star candle when it went higher. We're going to see if this level gets tested out, that 15,700 area. If we get another test here, because we went choppy back and forth for quite some time, and then we failed to hold highs this last week. So, of all of the indexes, let's recap them here. We got the S&P shooting star candle, so we're going to see if it's going to prove itself. We have IWM, which is at 222, below its 20-day moving average. We have the Dow, which is interesting. It's near highs, but we've recently had some volume come in that shows that sellers may be coming in. And then we have the Nasdaq, which is showing some signals or some signs of being weak as well. So out of all four indexes, really none of them are showing any super signs of strength. We got two, well, one with a shooting star, another one with a somewhat shooting star, and everything back down when it created its high. So we're going to see if next week is going to give us any type of continuation to the upside or downside. And that is it for this week. I hope you celebrated your New Year safely. And as always, make sure you take care of yourself. Make sure that you get outside. Make sure that you spend time with loved ones. Just live. Just live. We're not supposed to be not living. We're not supposed to be just a number. Get outside, all right? Fresh air, exercise, water, as always. We'll check you later. Peace.